Today I will be showing you how to make your own aloe vera Greek yogurt conditioning hair mask. It's packed with many vitamins and proteins that will leave your hair feeling great. So let's get started. First, you will need 1 aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties which resolve scalp inflammation caused by dandruff. It also contains vitamins A, C, and E, which contributes to healthy cell growth and shiny hair. These vitamins, along with vitamin B12 and folic acid found in aloe vera, also help to nourish and strengthen the hair. Next, it's time to strain your gel. Make sure you do not skip this step, otherwise it will leave particles in your hair. Once the aloe vera leaf is all blended, it comes out to about 1 cup of gel. So once it's all strained, you can go ahead and add it back to your blender. Next, you will need 2/3 cups of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein. The hair is made of protein, which means the protein in Greek yogurt helps to repair and strengthen the hair, therefore helping it to grow longer and stronger. Greek yogurt also contains vitamin B5, which helps with blood flow to the scalp, contributing to hair growth. And it conditions the hair, making it smooth, shiny, and more manageable. Next, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of Manuka honey. Manuka honey is a natural humectant that attracts and retains moisture. It tames frizz and defines curls, and its moisturizing abilities helps to reduce hair breakage. And finally, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil can add softness and strengthen the hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. It reduces scalp irritation, which further reduces dandruff, and the moisture it provides helps to prevent split ends. Now your hair mask is ready to use. Make sure you use it right away and leave in your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure to try this out on your own hair and let me know what you think in the comments.